Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to delete chats on WhatsApp. Maybe you have some conversations that you no longer need and want to remove them from your chat list. So today I'm going to show you how to delete chats on WhatsApp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your WhatsApp application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you will be taken to the main chat screen. In this page, locate the conversation that you want to delete. For example, I want to delete this conversation, so simply long press on that conversation. After that, a set of options will appear at the top. From here, tap on this trash bin icon to delete the chat. Confirmation menu will appear asking if you also want to delete the media from this chat. Simply tap on this option if you agree. Then, tap on this delete chat to confirm the deletion. After that, you now have successfully deleted a chat on WhatsApp. The selected chat will now be removed from your chat list. There you go. If you wanted to know how to delete chats on WhatsApp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to delete chats on WhatsApp, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.